Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Hearts of Iron 4 game via Steam for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Heart of Iron 4 game and then click on Hearts of Iron 4 game. Now scroll down and here you will see play Hearts of Iron 4 game. Play for free until 15th June 2026, and here you will see play game button. So click on play game button and here you can see Hearts of Iron 4 and the file size is 6.31 GB. So click on install, read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library and here you can see that Hearts of Iron 4 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download or install Hearts of Iron 4 game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. And you can play this game for free if you download this game before June 15, 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.